Hi everyone, it's Clever My Heart Maggie and I'm back today with a video showing you how I'm going to customise my 2021 planner with some IronOn. So I picked up this planner from Poundland. It was in the sale for £1.50 and it's a data view, so really handy for work. And it's a really nice denim fabric pattern, but it is a little bit boring, so I thought that I would show you how I'm going to customise it just to add a bit more personality to it. So here we go. I've put some shapes together on the Cricut design space and I've gone for a celestial feel, so I've got moons and stars and the sun. I've got this really nice iridescent holographic IronOn HTV material, so I'm going to cut my design with this and then it should have a really nice shimmer when it's all finished. Okay, so I finished cutting my design, so now I've just got to weed it. So I've got my weeding tool. So I'm just weeding out my stars, using my weeding tool just to get all the fiddly bits, but this bit has moved here, so I'm just going to pop that back in the right place. Take out the middle of the moon and the middle of the sun. So now I've got a sheet of IronOn designs. So I'm going to chop these up into individual shapes and then I'll start positioning them on my diary. Okay, so I've got my stars laid out how I think I want them on the design, and I've heated up the mini press to medium heat, and the heat guide on Cricut.com said 25 seconds, constant movement. I've got my heat press, a recent addition to my craft stash, and I posted a video about using it the other week, so I'll link that below. But just put the easy press over the moon and I'm giving it 25 seconds press. I'm constantly moving the iron to get the heat all over the design. So I can see that it's fused to the diary, but I'm going to keep this protective cover on while I do the other designs because I don't want the iron to hit the top of the vinyl and melt it, so it's best to keep these stickers on. I'm just going to go around and do the rest. Finished ironing all my decals onto my planner, and then now I'm just going to peel off these top sections. If when you peel any of the IronOn comes off with the backing, then just put the backing back on and iron over it again. So I'm here with my finished diary, so as you can see the front is all sparkly. I've added just a couple of really tiny stars to the front as well, just to fill a few gaps. And I also added my initials to the side of the diary as well, just so just to add a little bit of extra detail and make it a bit more personal. And then the back is super sparkly as well with all those stars. So I'm really happy with how this diary turned out. I think it's added a bit more personality. It was an absolute bargain for £1.50 and it's a really great diary that I will use for work, but now it's got just a little bit more personality added to it. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with more crafts.